In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gather images using Genspark AI Desktop. To get started, open your browser and search for Genspark AI. This is the quickest way to reach the platform if you don't already have it bookmarked. Once the search results appear, look for the official Genspark listing labeled as an all-in-one AI workspace and click that result to open the site. It's a good habit to make sure you're selecting the official page so you land in the right workspace before moving on. After the site loads, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can enter a prompt. This is where the quality of your results really begins. Instead of typing something vague, be very clear that you want visual assets. For example, you could ask for high-resolution photos and diagrams of a specific topic. The more specific your request is, the easier it will be for Genspark to understand what kind of images you want to gather. If you know the subject, style, or level of detail you need, include that directly in the prompt to improve the output. Once your prompt is ready, take a quick moment to review it before submitting. Clear wording can save time and help you avoid having to run the search again. When everything looks good, click Submit to start the process. At that point, Genspark will begin working on your request and gathering the visual materials based on the instructions you provided. If your goal is to collect useful image references, diagrams, or high-quality visuals for research, presentations, or creative work, this simple workflow makes the process much faster and more organized. That's all there is to it. Search for Genspark AI, open the official workspace, enter a clear prompt asking for visual assets, and submit it to begin gathering images.